All right, everybody. So, beta, most of the times we have this question from everyday maths in paper. So that is some everyday mathematics. Okay. So you have to read the question very well. Okay. According to this question, beta, they say that the table shows the amount received when exchanging $100 in some other countries. So we have four countries here: Wales, it's India, and then it's China, and then it's Spain. $100 in Wales is 77.05 pounds. In India, it is 7,437.05 rupees. And in China, it is 67.20 yuans. And in Spain, 85.35 euros. They say that Brad changes $250 to Indian rupees. Okay. So what I have for Indian rupees, I have this thing that $100 in Indian rupees, they are equals to 7437.05 Indian rupees. If he is changing $250, so that will be equals to X. So we need to do what? We need to cross multiply. So that would be 100x is equals to 7437.05
सर,
multiply by 250. जी बेटा,
ये पेपर आपने पहले होमवर्क में दिया नहीं था?
शायद हो सकता है दिया हो, आई डोंट नो. डिवाइड बाय
हम्म,
100 ऑन बोथ साइड. पूरा पेपर नहीं है, एक एक, एक क्वेश्चन है किसी किसी पेपर का. So
ओके सर।
so now the fraction will we have to solve this in calculator. 7437.05 times 250 divided by 100. So the answer is this much. We have to press SND button. Better calculate the amount he received correct to the nearest rupee. So first of all, let me write the answer here: 18592.625. So beta, the nearest rupee is 18593 is the nearest rupee, because after 2 it is 6. So 18593 rupees will be of $250 when he change in India. Okay. Wang changes 5,400 Chinese yuan into dollars. Okay, what I have for the dollars and China. So it, according to the scale, it is $100. It is equals to how many Chinese yuans? It is 671.20. 671.20. He's changing 5,400 Chinese yuans. So 5,400 will come here and X will go there because we don't know about the dollars. So multiply. So it would be 671.2 is equals to 100 multiplied by 5,400. Now divided by 671.2 on both sides. 71.2 on both sides. So again, we have to use the calculator. 100 multiplied by 5400 divided by 671.2. So the answer would be 805.52. 804.5292014. According to the Cambridge
अस्सलाम
Examiner,
वालेकुम।
Walaikum Assalam. According to the Cambridge Examiner, correct to the nearest cent. Nearest cent. So, beta, we know that in dollars we have 100 cents. Yes or no? So according to the question, it is 52 cents. So, but after 52, it is 9. So I will write here 53. So 804.53 means that 804 complete dollars, and 53 means what? 53 cents. Got it, everybody, or not? Okay. Then they say that Gretel lives in Spain and goes on a holiday to Wales. She spent 3,500 euros in total on travel and hotels in the ratio. Work out how much Gretel spent in euros on travel. So, beta, first of all, we have to add the ratio. Total is 7. So, on travel, we need to find out. So, travel is how much? First of all, we need to understand travel is beta 4 out of 7. So, 4 out of 7. And she spends how much? She spent 3,500 euros. So as far as I know that 7 ones are 7 and 7 fives are 35. So 4 times 500. So 4 times 500 is 2,000 euros she spends in terms of euros. Work out how much she spent in pounds on hotel. So first of all, pounds we need to calculate. Hotel is equals to total is how much beta? Total is 3,500 euros. Means traveling is 2,000. So we got 1,500 euros here. Okay. First of all, you will get 1 mark for finding this thing. Okay, this is for 1 mark working. Then we need to convert this 1500 euros into pounds. So first of all, we need to convert this into dollars, euros to dollars, and then dollars to pounds. Okay, so we know that beta we have a euro to dollar rate that $100 they are equals to 85.35 euros. So $100 they are equals to 85.35 euros. So 1500 equals X. First of all, convert the currency into dollars. So 85.35 is equals to 100 multiplied by 1500 divided by 85.35. X will be here. It will be cancelled. So 85.35. So first of all, let's see that how much dollars we have. So 100 multiplied by 1500 divided by 85.35. So we got here answer 17571757.46. These are dollars. Okay, now I can convert these dollars into pounds. So I have that scale already available, that $100 it equals to how many pounds? It is equals to 77.05 pounds. 77.05 pounds.
सर जी ये कौन सा वाला
So
पेपर है?
बेटा ये नीचे लिखा हुआ है जीरो फाइव एट जीरो
बस
फोर थ्री
ठीक है
अक्टूबर
सर, ओके
नवंबर
ओके
23.
ओके
Okay,
सर।
then we have dollars, so we have 1757 is equals to X. Now cross multiplication. So according to the basic working, so that would be 100X is equals to 77.05 multiplied by one. What? Answer multiply by 77.05 and then divide by 100. So the answer is 1354.13 pounds, because no asking about any particular thing. So that is the reason I'm not rounding off. So that is the reason I'm just leaving it 2 dp. Got it, everybody, or not?
यस
Okay,
सर।
thank you. Now they say that Gretel flies home to Spain. The plane flies at a distance of 2200 kilometer, correct, to the nearest 100 kilometer. So 100 divided by 2 is equals to 50 kilometer. Okay. The average speed of the plane is 750 kilometer per hour, correct, to the nearest 20 kilometer per hour. So nearest 20 kilometer per hour means what? 20 divided by 2 is equals to 10 kilometer per hour. Calculate the lower bound of the time taken in hours and minutes for this flight. So beta, we know that the speed is equals to distance divided by time. We need to find out the time. So time is equals to distance divided by speed. So according to the examiner, it says that we need to find out the lower bound of time. So distance will go lower bound and speed will go upper bound. So distance is what? 2200 minus 50, and speed is what? It is 740 kilometer per hour minus 10 minus 10, sorry, plus 10. It is upper bound. So 2200 minus 50 fraction 2200 minus 50 divided by 740 plus 10. Answer is 43 by 15. Press SND. It is 2.8666 something hours. Now press the time button. Press the time button. So it is 2 hours and 52 minutes. 2 hours and 52 minutes. So 2 hours and 52 minutes. That is for 3 marks. Understood, everybody, or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's done with the everyday math question. Okay, let's proceed one by one now. Okay, now the first question I have in this worksheet is it is on transformation. They say that describe fully single transformation that maps A onto B. So let me give you a quick recap. Transformation, it is of 4 types. The first one is translation. Second one is reflection. Third one is rotation. And fourth one is enlargement. enlargement. We know that what a translation is. Translation is sliding image. Reflection is mirror image. Rotation is rotated 90 degrees or 180 degrees. Clockwise, anti-clockwise as well. Enlargement means increase and decrease in size. Increase slash decrease in size. Okay, now let's read the question. Describe fully circular transformation that maps A onto B. Okay, A onto B is sliding. Yes or no? It is translation. It is translation. And we do have a vector. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 towards left and 1 down. So 7 towards left and 1 down. Is this clear, everybody? -7, -1. I translated this point. So I took 7 to jumps towards left and 1 down. So that is -7, -1. Let me erase this thing now. I don't need it. Okay, now the examiner is saying A onto C. Beta, A onto C is of 3 marks
Rotation.
and it is rotation for sure. Rotation. Now we need to decide that A onto C is rotation 90
Clockwise.
degrees or 180 degrees.
90-degree clockwise.
It is 90 degrees. We need to understand that it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, first of all.
Clockwise. Wait,
Let's
no,
see that.
anti-clockwise. My bad. Wait, no. A onto C.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you
So
answering?
A onto C. Wait a minute. First of all, we need to understand this thing that it is 90 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise. So we understood this thing that this is 90 degrees because that this is horizontal line and this line became vertical here. So that is the reason it is 90 degrees. First of all, we need to understand about the center, that it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. I think that the shape is gone like this. Yes or no?
Sir,
So this,
clockwise. Clockwise.
so
मुझे
so
understand.
this is clockwise. Okay. Now we need to understand one thing, that where my center is. Okay. We need to understand if the shape is going this way, so it means that center is somewhere here. Yes or no? So we need to understand this thing. First of all, let me connect with the x-axis. First of all, let me connect with this x-axis, this point. So now this point is right here. Oh, the two distances, they are not same. Okay, let's change this distance to this one. Okay, let's see. What do you think? It's 90 degrees or not? What do you think, that it's 90 degrees or not? I can see that these
Yes,
two
sir.
distances are equal because it is 2 and 3, and that is also 2 and 3. So these two are hypotenuse, so it means that they both are equal and it is 90 degrees as well. So I got my center, which is 5, 1. So center of rotation is x is 5 and y is 1. So beta, we will get 2 marks straight away, 1 mark for writing rotation, 1 mark for writing 90 degrees and clockwise, and there is only 1 mark for the center of rotation. If the center of rotation is wrong, you can lose only 1 mark only in the paper. Got it? So let me erase this thing now again from the
सर
sheet.
ये आप ये जरा दोबारा समझा सकते हैं प्लीज.
बेटा देखें, प्लीज पे अटेंशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ
जी
ऑल
सर.
आराम से जरा सुने बेटा सब, ठीक है? मैंने ये सेंटर कैसे फाइंड आउट किया था? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई सेलेक्टेड अ पॉइंट. ओके, डन. We had the idea that the center is somewhere here because the shape moved clockwise. Got it? So first of all, I connected this point with 5 x-axis, but I can see that the two lines are of different lengths. So that is technically not possible. So that is the reason I removed it. And I jumped up 1 point above here. You can do it with the trial and error method again and again. Okay, got it? Now I can see that these two lengths are same. Why these two lengths are same? Beta, please pay attention. Because this is 2 boxes to the right and that is 3 up. And this is 3 boxes to the left and that is 2 up. And I know that this is hypotenuse and this is also hypotenuse. So these two lengths are same. Got it? If the distance is same, and I can see that the lines, they look perpendicular to each other as well, 90 degrees. So that is the reason that is my center. Got it?
Yes sir. Okay. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay. Proceeding. On the shape, draw the image of shape A after the reflection y is equals to 2. So beta, y is equals to 2. We need to reflect shape A. So that is the reason I am going to erase this thing now from here. Okay, y is equals to 2 is this line. So that line A will behave like a mirror. This line will behave like what? It will behave like a mirror. So beta, this point is 4 boxes away from the mirror. So this point will come here. Automatically, this point will come here. And the last point will go here because it is reflection. Got it, everybody, or not? Once you are done with the reflection, you can draw some lines inside. Got it? Then they say that shape A after an enlargement scale factor -2 and center 0, 0. Okay, first of all, please pay attention. First of all, and what is center? Center is origin. Okay, let me write here origin. Okay. Now, for example, look at shape A. I'm going to name some points here. A, that point is B, and that point is, for example, Z. Because this is my center, that is the reason I replace C with Z in the shape. Now, first of all, beta, please pay attention. Center to A vector. First of all, start your car from center and go to A. Beta, I know that it is 2 right and 2 down. Yes or no? So it is 2 right and 2 down. Okay. Now center to B. Now center to B. Center to B is 3 right and 2 down. Agree everybody or not? Now center to Z. It is 3 towards right. And how much down? 3 towards right? 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So it is 4 down. According to the scale factor is -2. So let me multiply this vectors with -2. If I multiply this vector with -2, I will get here -4 and +4. If I multiply this vector here, I will get here -6 and +4. -2 multiplied here, so it would be -6 and +8. Yes or no? Now start from the center. Start from the center. Okay. Now please pay attention. This is my center. This point is my center. A point would be 4 towards left and 4 up. So 4 towards left, 1, 2, 3, 4 towards left and 4 up. So this is 4 up. So let me mark this point and let me write here A prime. So that is my A prime. Now it's B. So B is 6 towards left and 4 towards up. So from center, okay, 6 towards left. So 4, 6 towards left and how much up? 4 up. So that would be my B prime. Okay. Now let's start with the Z. But a Z is 6 towards left and 8 up. So from center. So 6 towards left and 8 up. So 5 and that is 8 up. That point is my Z prime. If I join this shape, look at this cross, look at these crosses. Look at these crosses. Now you can see that this triangle is doubled and at the same time it is flipped as well because of this negative scale factor. Negative means flip as well. Got it, everybody? So once you're done with the shape, what you can do here, you can draw some lines inside so that after the scanning process, the paper is visible to the examiner that he can mark your paper. Got it? You can use pencil in this question, okay? You can use pencil in this question. No need to use pen here. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, proceeding. So done. Okay, let's see. We have a question on probability that according to 2023 examination. So what kind of probability question they came in the paper? So please pay attention, everybody. Reading the question is very much important in probability, especially in probability, because it is usually having a role of what? English. They say that Lucia has 2 fair spinners. So let me draw 2 fair spinners like this. Okay. Spinner A is 5-sided and is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that in spinner A, we have total 5 numbers. And in spinner B, it is 9-sided. So it means that it would be 9 numbers. Okay. Lucia spin 2 spinners and record whether they land on a prime number. So I can see we have prime and not prime. So let's see in spinner number 1, how many prime numbers are there? They are 2, 3, and 5. So prime numbers are 3 and not prime, they are 2. Okay. Look at spinner number B. How many prime numbers are there? 3 are prime numbers and 5 is also prime numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are prime. And not prime, they are how many? They are 4. Okay. Now Lucia spin the 2 spinner and record whether they land on a prime number. So it is 3 out of 5 in spinner A. So 2 out of 5, not prime. So in spinner B, it is 5 out of 9 prime and 4 out of 9 not prime. So 5 out of 9 and 4 out of 9. So that's how we will complete the tree diagram for 2 marks. Then they say find the probability that the two numbers are both prime. So beta prime, I can see that it is prime. It is prime. And then this is prime. So multiply these two. So prime. So that would be prime multiplied by prime. This prime belongs to spinner A and this prime belongs to spinner B. Spinner A has 3 out of 5 times. Spinner B has 5 out of 9. So can I cancel 5 and 5? So that would be 3 out of 9, which is equals to 1/3. So 1/3 is the final answer. Got it, everybody? The two numbers are not both prime. Not prime. So that is not prime. Multiply these two. Okay. So not prime multiplied by not prime. This not prime belongs to spinner A and this not prime belongs to spinner B. So that would be 2 out of 5 times 4 out of 9. 2 fours are 8 and 5 nines are 45. This is my final answer. No need to simplify the answer for the probability unless and until it is asked from the examiner. Is this clear, everybody, or not? Yes or no? I think the question is easy.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, well done. Thank you. Lucia spins spinner A 120 times. Find the expected number of times the spinner lands on a prime number. Beta, the probability of prime number. ठीक है. Spinner A has prime was 3 out of 5 and not prime was 2 out of 5. So beta 3 out of 5 times 120. Now check. That would be 360 divided by 5. Use your calculator and tell me what is answer. 360 divided by 5. 72 times she can expect a number that is a prime number. Get it? Okay, Lucia spins the spinner B twice. Now I need a spinner B here because it is on next page. So I'm going to draw it again because I need to understand the question. That is spinner B. That is spinner B. Ahmad, according to spinner B, it was prime numbers. They were 5 and not primes. They were 4. Remember that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Lucia spins spinner B twice. Find the probability that two number it lands on add up to 9 or more. 9 or more. So beta, when we add two numbers on this spinner, so beta, look at the scores in spinner B. The scores in spinner B's are 3, 3, 3. How many threes are there? 3. Let's
Yes,
check.
sir. Three
And then we
threes and
have
four fours.
and
Four
two
fours.
fives.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, and two fives. Please count 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, that's fine. Find the probability that the two numbers it lands on add up to 9 or 4. 9 or more. So, but a 9 or more can be 4 and 5. Yes or no?
5 and 5.
Yes,
And
sir.
5 and 5. Yes or no?
Ji, sir.
Find the probability that the two numbers it lands on add up to 9 or more. So, beta, we know that it is 4, 5, and it can be 5, 5. And it can also be 5 and 4 as well. Yes or no? That is another combination. Get it or not, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, that is the three possibilities we can have. So, let's pick 4 now. For example, I'm Lucia and I'm spinning. So I got 4. So the probability of 4 would be 4 out of 9 because there are 4 fours. And the probability of 5 is 2 out of 9 plus probability of 5 would be 2 out of 9 multiplied by 2 out of 9 plus probability of 5 would be 2 out of 9 and probability of 4 is 4 out of 9.
सर आपने 2 out of 2 लिखा है 2 by 2.
हाँ ये गलत हो गया कोई बात नहीं 4 2s are 8 9 9s are 81 plus 2 2s are 4 9 9s are 81 plus 2 fours are 8 8 divided by 81 denominator is same add denominators 8 plus 4 12 12 plus 8 20 so beta 20 by 81 is the final answer. Is this clear, everybody, or not? Any problems so far?
No, sir. No problem.
Okay, sure.
Ji, sir.
Okay, Lucia keeps spinning spinner B until it lands on 4. Find an expression in terms of n for the probability that it happens on the n spin. ठीक है? She keep on spinning that until she gets 4. Until she gets what? 4. So for example, I'm spinning and I got 3. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I'm spinning and I got 5. Yes or no?
Ji, sir.
I'm spinning and I got, for example, now I got 4. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
They say that Lucia keeps spinning spinner B until it lands on a 4. Find an expression in terms of n for the probability that this happens on the n spin. We need to get the answer that this happens on n spin. Yes or no? G, any idea? What should I do here? G, beta, any idea that what should I do here? We are here for
Sir,
discussions.
जी मेरे ख्याल से कि
कोई बात नहीं, आप बोलो तो सही, कम से कम डर रहे क्यों? डरने की जरूरत तो नहीं है ना?
ये थोड़ा सा और करें सर, थोड़ा पूछूं तो
सोचें,
लूंगा।
चलें जी, सोचें सोचें जी, कोई बात नहीं। देखें,
सर
वी नो दिस।
5 पहले 3 थ्रीज भी आ सकते हैं, 2 फाइव्स भी आ सकते हैं, फिर भी 4 आ
तो
सकते
फिर
हैं। कैसे
यस,
पता
वी
चले?
कैन हैव मल्टीपल पॉसिबिलिटीज हियर, यस और नो?
यस सर।
सो लेट्स possibilities here. Okay, for example, let me write here not 4, not 4. So the probability for not 4 is how much? Not 4 is 5 out of
5 by
9.
9,
Yes or
sir.
no?
यस सर।
Yes,
And
sir.
probability of 4 is what? Probability
4
of
by
4
9।
would be, it would be 4 out of 9. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes
Yes.
or no? Any
Yes.
any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, we can have 5 by 9 multiple times. Yes or no?
यस सर।
Beta, we can have 5 by 9 multiple times. Agree or not?
यस सर।
So beta, we can have 5 by 9 multiple times because, for example, this is not a guarantee that I will spin and I will get the number 4 on the second term. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So beta, that is the reason I need to get this result equals to 1. Equals to 1. Equals to what?
1.
मुझे इसको 1 बनाना है. I know that in indices, if I write 5 by 9 power n. So if I write here 1, if I write here 1, it is not 1. Yes or no? I want to make it 0. I want to make it what?
0, sir.
अगर मैं इसको 0 बनाना चाहूं तो हमारे में n में से 1 माइनस करूं तो क्या ये 0 बनेगा?
जी
Yes,
सर,
sir.
बिल्कुल।
1 माइनस 1 करें तो क्या 0 बनता है?
जी
जी
सर।
सर।
और anything with power 0 is equals to 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And 1 multiplied by 4 by 9 will be 4 by 9. That will be number 4. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear or not?
मुझे समझ नहीं है सर।
देखो बेटा, जरा अंडरस्टैंड करें इस चीज को. 5 by 9 is the probability of not getting 4. Yes or no?
यस सर। यस सर।
I want to make this thing equals to 1. Equals to what?
1।
According to the examiner, I have to write something with the power n. So
यस
let me
सर।
write with an expression with the n. Yes or no?
यस सर।
Now, if I know that it is my n spin, 1 spin. Yes or no?
यस सर।
So beta, 5 by 9 power 1 is not 1. Yes or no?
यस सर।
But if I subtract 1 from it, I will get 5 by 9 power 1 minus 1 equals 0. So 5 by 9 power 0 would be equals to 1. And 1
यस
multiplied by 4 by 9 would be 4 by 9. And we'll get 4 by 9 already. Yes or no?
यस सर।
So that is my answer for n spin. So 5 by 9 power n minus 1. 5 by
ओके।
9 power
n
n
माइनस
minus 1 multiplied by 4 by 9. So that would be the answer. Is this clear, everybody, or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, proceeding. Let's see one more question on probability. I do have one more question in this worksheet. Yeah, we do have it. But case of dice. The diagram shows two fair dice, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 6, and 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. So a dice A is rolled. First of all, we have to look at the dice. There are total 6 scores here as well. There are total 6 scores here as well. Current dice A is rolled once and write down the probability that it lands on number 6. So better, there are total 6 scores in dice A. And how many sixes are there? It is only one. Dice A is rolled 150 times. Find the probability it is expected to land on number 6. Beta, we know that the probability of number 6 is 1 by 6 multiplied by 150. That is 150 divided by 6. So beta, 150 divided by 6 is how much?
Sir, 25.
25 times it will land on number 6. Dice A and B both are rolled each, dice A and B are each rolled once. Find the probability that two numbers they land on have a total of 6. Okay, so we can have how many possibilities, beta? We can have, for example, on dice A, I get 2. And on dice B, I get 4. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Another possibility would be 3, 3. 3 on dice A and 3 on dice B. Another
Sir, 1, 5.
5 तो है नहीं बेटा. तो देखो ना डाइस ए और डाइस बी में
Oh,
5 नहीं है.
sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. मैंने कौन सी तुम्हारी गर्दन उतार देनी है अभी.
2-2-1 हो सकता है.
एक मिनट सबर, एक मिनट मैं जरा लिख लूं पहले ये. हाँ जी बोलें अब.
2-2-1 हो सकता है.
बेटा 2-2-1 नहीं हो सकता ना. 2-2 दो 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 दफा ही करना है. 2 नंबर आने चाहिए.
Okay,
4
sir.
on dice A and 2 on dice B.
So that would be another possibility. 4 on dice A and 2 on dice B.
सर डाइस ए पर 4 नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से, देखिए
डाइस
सर.
ए पर 4 नहीं है सर.
डाइस A पे 4 नहीं है.
ऐसे पे 4 नहीं
जी,
है.
sir.
वेल डन, वेल डन. डाइस A पे 4 नहीं है. ठीक है जी. टोटल 6. बस ये दो पॉसिबिलिटीज हमारे पास. यस और नो?
जी सर.
ठीक है. सो टोटल 6 बनना चाहिए. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 2 ऑन डाइस ए इज 3 आउट ऑफ 6 multiply by probability of 4 on dice B is 3 out of 6 as well, plus probability on of 3 on dice A is 1 out of 6 multiply by probability of 3 on dice B is
3
2
by
out of
6.
6.
2 out of 6.
नहीं,
6.
2
2
out
out
of
of
6.
6 है. 3 3s are 9 and 6 6 are 36 plus 2 1s are 2 and 3 6 6 are 36. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 by 36 is the final answer. Any problem so far?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, okay, just give me a minute. Look at this question. Let me have something. MashaAllah, 32 students. Well done, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
सर कल से मॉक भी है.
Ji beta. So beta, G3 students, listen to me. In IIUI, you have paper tomorrow. So that is paper 2 and paper 4. IGCSE students, beta, you have 4 hour long exam. ठीक है? So sleep well. ठीक है? You will give paper 4 first in 2 hours and 30 minutes. And then in paper 2, you will be having what? You will be having approximately 1 hour 30 minutes. So it's a 4 hour long exam.
Sir, are both the papers from the same year?
But I
Sir,
don't
what about
remember
core?
that. But core math students, you have approximately wait a minute यार. एक मिनट मैं आपको जरा आपका टाइम बता देता हूँ.
Sir, जी 4 hours.
जी बिल्कुल.
2 hour 30 minute first paper, 1 hour 30
अच्छा
minutes.
जी. core math students, paper 1 is of 1 hour. ठीक है. And paper 3 is of 2 hours. जी. कोर मैथ्स का
Okay, sir.
टोटल पेपर जो है वो 3 आवर्स का होगा और एक्सटेंडेड वालों का पेपर जो है वो 4 आवर्स का होगा। ठीक है, हाँ, अगर आपका पेपर पहले खत्म हो जाए तो यू कैन गेट अनदर पेपर फ्रॉम द एग्जामिनर। गेट इट? Okay, find the probability that when two numbers they land on have a total of 6, both numbers are 3. Ho. Find the probability that when the two numbers they land on have a total of 6, both are 3. So beta, I think so that we are clear with this. Yes or no? Find the probability that when the two numbers they land on and have a total of 6 and both numbers are 3. So 3 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is for we need to write this one only. 1 by 6 multiplied by 2 by 6. That would be 2 by 36. That is 1 out of 18. 2 marks. Easy.
G, sir.
Dice B is rolled n times and find the probability that the nth roll of the first land on a number 3 is 32 divided by 729. So better look at dice B, please. We need to write the dice B scores here again. Dice B is 2 3 3 triple 4. 2 3 3 triple 4. It is rolled n time. Find the probability that on the nth roll it first land on number 3. So it means that not 3, not 3, not 3. Is this clear? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Better try to understand is they say that the probability that on the nth roll it first lands on number 3. तो मतलब शुरू में 3 नहीं आना चाहिए. Is this clear?
G, sir.
So look at
जी
this 729 first. Look at this 729. Is this clear, everybody? We know that in
यस
the
सर
denominator I'll be having 6. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Beta,
जी
can you
सर
please check 6 6 are what?
36.
36
36 times 6 is how much?
216.
सर it is 216
216 times 6 is how much?
Sir,
सर
1296.
1296
Okay, ज्यादा हो गया नंबर.
G, sir.
जी सर
So okay, let's see. Dice B is rolled n times. The probability that on the nth roll is it lands on a number 3 is 32 divided by 729. So let me write here two probabilities. Probability of 3. Probability of 3. It is 2 out of 6. Probability of not 3. Of not 3. Not 3. It is 4 out of 6. So let's write here 4 out of 6. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यस
Okay.
सर
Then write not getting 3. 4 out of 6. 4 fours are
16.
16
16. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's write here now. 4 fours are 16, right?
Yes, sir.
यस
Yes or
सर
no? Okay. 16 times 2 is 32. Yes or no?
जी सर
Yes, sir.
Divided by 6. But in the denominator, I'm not getting 6. 6 6 is not it is 216. It is what?
216
216.
अच्छा जी, डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं आ रहा, ऊपर न्यूमरेटर सेम आ चुका है. यस और नो?
जी
G,
सर
sir.
सो बेटा एक चीज जरा इसमें जरा समझ डालें कि फर्स्ट लैंड जो है ना वो 3 पे आना चाहिए. क्या आना चाहिए?
3
3
पे
पे.
तो इसका मतलब है कि डिनोमिनेटर हमारा वो नहीं आ रहा, तो हम एक करेंगे, एक नॉट 3 और ऐड कर देंगे. क्या करेंगे?
Not
3
3.
और ऐड कर लेंगे
नॉट 3 और ऐड करें जी. नॉट 3 हो गए, एक और ऐड. ठीक है, अब ऐसा करते हैं, जरा हम लोग चेक करेंगे. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are what?
64.
64. Now get 3. 2 out of 6. अब जरा कैलकुलेटर पे करके बताएं मुझे ये क्या आ रहा है. 128 आ रहा है
Yes, sir. सबर.
और नीचे आ रहा है क्या?
सर सबर सर
Sir, नीचे 1296.
सर
1296.
नीचे आ
जरा
रहा है 1296
सर
अच्छा
ये पेपर
कैलकुलेट.
किस चीज का वेरिएंट है?
बेटा ये है 058041 अक्टूबर नवंबर 2023.
ओके सर।
4 2
अच्छा
है सर।
अब अ- अच्छा ये मुझे बताएं जरा, ये 1296 जरा इसको कैलकुलेटर में सिंप्लीफाई करें, देखिए 32 डिवाइड बाय 729 आता है कि नहीं?
सबर सर।
नो सर।
नहीं आता, ओके।
नो सर।
एक 4/6 इधर और ऐड कर दें। चलें अब बताएं क्या आता है। 4 4 16, 64, 64 into 4 256, 512 आ रहा है ऊपर। डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आ रहा है? 6 पावर 5 बता दो जल्दी से यार।
सर
सेवन
पे भी
सिक्स
नहीं आ रहा।
व्हाट? कितना आ रहा है बेटा?
6
777 6। ओके जरा
सर
आप
पे
इसको
भी नहीं आ
कैलकुलेटर
रहा।
में पंच सिंप्लीफाई करें, आ रहा है कि नहीं?
नो सर।
नो सर।
क्या कौन सी फ्रैक्शन आ रही है जरा बताना मुझे।
16
सर
by 243।
16/।
टू फोर्टी
243।
अब
थ्री
अब एक और ऐड करो, अब एक और ऐड करो। सो ऊपर आएगा 1024, 4 4 16,
आ गया
16
सर।
1024। नीचे क्या आ रहा है?
सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म है मेरे पास, अरे 32 by 729।
अच्छा ये मुझे बताएं नीचे क्या आ रहा है, व्हाट इज द डिनोमिनेटर?
सर 46,656।
656। Okay, now everybody, we got the answer. First spin, second spin, third spin, fourth spin, fifth spin, sixth spin. We will get the answer 32 divided by 729. Is this clear, everybody, or not?
जी सर।
जी सर।
Yes or no?
जी सर।
यस सर।
बेटा इसका आसान तरीका ये है ना, इसका आसान तरीका क्या है बेटा? Listen to me. The easy way to solve this sort of question, and you can get this question in exams, especially O level students, okay, and IGCSE students as well. Okay, I want to get probability of, I want to get 3. So let's write not 3. 4 out of 6. I'm not getting 32. So again 4 out of 6. Then again 4 out of 6. Check again and again. हमें 6 टाइम पे ये मिला था, यस और नो? तो 5 6
जी
हो गया। तो यहाँ पे हमें आंसर मिल रहा था 32 डिवाइडेड बाय 729। इट इज ऑल ऑफ द गेम ऑफ द कैलकुलेटर। सो दिस वाज माय सिक्स्थ पेन। सो n इज इक्वल टू सिक्स्थ। गॉट इट एवरीबॉडी?
Sir,
जी सर।
जी बेटा।
can we not solve this like the way we did earlier?
नहीं है उसके तरीके से हमें करेंगे हम। देखिए मेरी फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम लोग उस तरीके से हम लोग इसको सॉल्व आउट करें तो हमें होगा ये प्रॉब्लम। प्रॉब्लम का मसला ये है कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ हम लोगों को ये मसला है कि हम लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि कौन से नंबर पे आएगा ये। यस और नो?
Did we know that earlier?
नहीं वहां पे तो वहां उस केस में भी हमें पता नहीं था, लेकिन वो 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन था तो हमने उसको पावर 1 बना लिया था। सिंपल इज दैट।
Okay.
समझ आई?
इसमें सर पावर के ले लें तो
किसकी पावर के ले लें, बताओ तरीका आप अपना।
4/6 पावर x ले लें।
4/6 पावर एक्स, ओके।
मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2/6।
मल्टीप्लाई बाय टू
टू
बाय
बाई सिक्स
इज इक्वल
इक्वल
टू
32 by
32 डिवाइड
700।
बाय 729। यस इस पे भी हो जाएगा आपका 4 पावर x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 36। ऐसे ही आएगा ना? नहीं 6 पावर x होगा ये भी। मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 इज इक्वल टू 32 डिवाइडेड बाय 729। तो वी नो दैट 2 पावर 2x multiplied by 2 divided by 6 power x plus 1 is equals to 32 divided by 729. So that is 1. So that would be 2 power 2x plus 1 is equals to 32 is 2 power 5. Yes or no?
जी
यस
सर।
सर।
So we know that when the bases are same, so 2x plus 1 is equals to 5. So 2x is equals to 5 minus 1. Yes or no? So 5 minus 1 would be 4. एंड 2x इज इक्वल्स टू 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 ऑन बोथ साइड्स। यहाँ पे तो बेटा x की वैल्यू हमारे पास 2 आ रही है। इज दिस क्लियर?
जी सर।
और ये
जी
हमारा
सर।
सिक्स पे नहीं बनता, ठीक है?
जी सर।
ओके तो ये हो गया बेटा हमारा प्रोबेबिलिटी का गेम ओवर। ओके अब मैं करा देता हूँ आप लोगों को, 1 मिनट देखने दें मुझे। नंबर सीक्वेंसेस देख लें यार।
फंक्शंस करवा दे,
जी बेटा।
ये फंक्शंस करवा दे, मुश्किल वाले क्वेश्चंस।
अच्छा पहले ये देख लें जरा, करवाता हूँ, वो सारे करवाऊंगा जो मैंने रखे हुए हैं। Sequence first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term is missing, n term is missing. Complete the table or you will get 10 marks. ठीक है? So they say complete the table for first three sequences. So let me differentiate a space here first of all. Sequence A. But a sequence A is +4. Can you see that? Add 4 हो रहा है.
जी
सर
सर।
बिल्कुल।
So बेटा add 4 हो रहा है तो 5 + 4 is
9।
9
So let's find out n term. It is arithmetic sequence. An is equals to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. A1 is the first term is -7 plus n minus 1 and the difference is +4. -7 plus 4n minus 4. Arrange it. -7 minus 4 plus 4n. So 4n minus 11 is the answer. 4n minus 11. Now check 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 11 is -7. Yeah, it's right.
-7
जी
Okay,
सर।
now let's study the second sequence B. Sequence B. It is 7, 13, 23. So let's see. 7 plus 13 is plus 6 plus 10. Then 37 minus 24, 23, 14.
14 sir।
So, but a second difference is same. Yes or no? It means that the sequence is an square plus bn plus c, which is quadratic sequence. So the value of a would be second difference divided by 2 is equals to 2. So that would be 2n square. So let's see. We need a table. हमें table चाहिए छोटा सा.
Sir, the
Okay.
value of fifth term is 55.
ओके वो तो चलो निकल आएगी ना, क्वाड्रेटिक है ये. पहले लिखो बेटा, अमाद क्वेश्चन लिखना है, ठीक है बेटा. क्वेश्चन है 7, 13, 23 और 37, ये लिख दिया मैंने. फिर लिखे an² 2n² आया था बेटा. n की जगह पे 1 डालो. 1 square is 1 and 1 2s are 2. 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 square is 9, 9 2s are 18. 4 square is 16, 16 2s are 32. सो बेटा माइनस करके देखें जरा, 5 5 आ रहा है कि नहीं? Yes or no?
यस सर।
So 2n square plus 5 is the answer. 2n square plus 5 is the answer. You can check your sequence as well. Let's check. 2 into 1 square plus 5, it is 7. 2 into 2 square plus 5. 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. See, the
13।
second number is 13, so that is right. So that is 2n square plus 5. 2n square plus 5. Okay, so beta, we have part C, sequence C. We have two sequences, one in the numerator and one in the denominator. Sequence C. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next term would be 6. Agree? Yes or no? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
arithmetic. This is arithmetic sequence. Agree? Arithmetic sequence and n plus 1 is the formula. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So the formula for the numerator would be n plus 1. That is easy. Look at the denominator, please. The denominator. 27 multiplied by 3 is 81. 81 multiplied by 3 is 243. This is geometric sequence. An is equals to a1 times r power n minus 1. A1 is what? A1 is 27. Power r is common ratio is 3 power n minus 1. Hamad, we know that 27 is 3 power 3.
जी सर।
So 3 plus n minus 1. So 3 power 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 plus n. So I can write here 3 power n plus 2 or 2 plus n. So that is the answer for 10 marks. Easy.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
the denominator is 2187.
2187. Thanks. Okay. In sequence, the sum of the first 49 terms is sum of first 49 terms is 7644. Sum of first 50 terms is 7975. Find the 50th term. Oh, it's easy. So 50th term is what? 7975 minus sum of first 49. What is the answer? 7975 minus 7644.
331, sir.
33.
1.
331 is the 50th term. Understood, Zainab, Roshani, Yusra, Haneen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Statistic is easy, so let's proceed with the functions. Oh, now they say that beta f0. So put 0 in f of x. So that would be 3 power bracket 0 plus 1 bracket 0 plus 5 bracket 0 minus 4. 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 5, 0 minus 4. 1
Sir,
bracket
2.
5 bracket minus 4. बेटा ब्रैकेट क्या 2 यार 1 5s are 5 5 4s are 20 minus 20 आ रहा है
जी सर, जी सर.
2 ना क्या आती का सर g इनवर्स ऑफ x अब हंसो पीछे बैठ के माइक बंद करके g g of x is equals to 2x minus 3 inverse we have four step let function is equals to y. Be careful while making x the subject because second step is make x the subject. Y plus 3 divided by 2 is equals to x. X is the subject. Third step is replace x with y. So y is equals to x plus 3 divided by 2. That is the answer. Now they said find GH2. Find H2 first. H2. H2 is how much? H2 is 4 power 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 cube is 64. So G64 now. So G64 would be 2 into 64 minus 3. Right, Janab? 128 minus 3 is 125. Understood everybody or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
रहमान पाकतुर्क में भी कल मॉक का पेपर है
जी सर, पेपर 4 का.
तगड़े हो जाओ okay g2x is 7 okay so beta g of x is equals to what? G of x is equals to 2x minus 3. Okay, so g2x, let's put 2x first. So g 2x is equals to 2 bracket 2x minus 3. So g2x is equals to 4x minus 3. Left side is equals to 7. 4x minus 3. Minus 3 will go there. 7 plus 3 is equals to 4x. Okay, let's distribute the space. 4x is equals to 10. 4x is equals to 10 divided by 4. So x is equals to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Now listen to me everybody. Can you see that how I utilize this space?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like for example, देखो मैंने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 steps किए हैं and still I have space left. So be careful while writing, okay? Now they
Okay,
say
sir.
that gx square plus ggx plus 1. So we have to calm down first of all. Beta g of x is equals to what? It is equals to 2x negative 3. 2x negative 3.
2x minus 3.
First of all, put x square in place of x. So x square, that would be x square minus 3. Okay, I have this thing now. Now I have to put g in g again to get ggx. Got it? 2 bracket 2x minus 3 minus 3. That would be 4x minus 6 minus 3. 4x minus 9. Now they say that ggx, this is ggx. Now they said add these two plus 1. Okay, doing it. 2x square plus 3, minus 3. 2x square minus 3 plus 4x minus 9 plus 1. 2x square plus 4x minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12. Minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11. Simplified. Easy everybody or not?
G, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any problem so far?
Sir, can you repeat part B?
Part B बेटा लिखा है g2x is equals to 7. ठीक है तो मैंने क्या किया है कि x की जगह पे पहले 2x डाल दिया है समझ आइए
Yes, sir.
तो जब मैंने डाला तो g2x हो गया 4x माइनस 3। अब क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने कहा था कि ये g2x जो है ये 7 के बराबर है, लिखा हुआ है ना ये, तो x का आंसर निकाल दिया मैंने। Now they say that ABC is a triangle. Okay, so let me make a triangle here first. A B C, बेटा this triangle is not to scale। अब बाद में चीखे नहीं मारना कि सर ये कौन से कोऑर्डिनेट लिखे हैं। 4 14, बेटा B is 1 minus 10, 1 comma minus 10, and we don't know about C। Okay, C to A vector is given। I can find out the coordinate of C if I have A to C vectors। So let's find out A to C vector। Reverse the sign, plus 11 minus 8। Is this clear,
-8.
Amna? Is this clear?
Yeah.
जी सर।
Okay, Amna, the coordinate of A is 4 and 14। The coordinate of C would be, but I am at 4, I need to take 11 towards right, so 4 plus 11 is how much?
Plus 15.
15। Okay, now I'm at 14, so 14 minus 8, I need to go down। 14 minus 8 is how much?
6।
4.
Hurry up।
No, 6.
What? 6,
14 minus
so
8 is
15 and 6,
6।
that is the answer for coordinate C। क्या हो गया? ठीक है ना, बस 14
सर,
minus
लेकिन
8
हम
is
नीचे
6
नहीं
आता
जा
है ना।
रहे।
तो बेटा 14 से तुम जरा नीचे आओ 8, तो 6 नहीं होगा
तो नेगेटिव आंसर नहीं आता जब हम नीचे जाते हैं।
बेटा, नेगेटिव मूवमेंट है गधे।
यस सर।
नेगेटिव जो है वो तो आपको खाली नीचे करके डाउन जाओ, तो 14 से जब आप 8 डाउन आएंगे तो 6 पे खड़े होंगे ना आप,
जी सर।
क्योंकि 14 आपका y कोऑर्डिनेट है और ये आपका x कोऑर्डिनेट है।
यस सर।
Now they want us to find out b to a। Okay, let's write b vector here। B coordinate 1 minus 10 and a coordinate is 4 and 14। Let's write a vector। Hamad, I'm at 1, I need to go how much right to get 4?
3।
Well done। And I'm at minus 10, I need to go somewhere in order to get 14। What should I do?
राइट
माइनस
मांगना
10 पे हूँ, माइनस 10 पे हूँ, तो 14 तक जाने के लिए ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा कि नीचे?
प्लस
है
24।
ऊपर।
हाँ जी, तो 24। यस और नो?
जी सर।
So 324 is the answer। Find C to A magnitude। Okay, I have C to A here vector 11 minus 11 and 8। So beta magnitude is what? Square root x square plus y square। So square root x square means 11 square plus y square 8 square। बेटा माइनस में लिखना, आंसर गलत आएगा फिर। 121 plus 64, ये कितना आता है? 121 plus 64, 5 8 185।
जी सर।
आंसर बताओ।
13.6।
13.6 के बाद क्या है? व्हाट इज आफ्टर 13.6?
01।
So 13.6 units is the final answer। Okay, any problems so far bacha?
नो सर।
Okay, look at the question from vectors again। OMN is a triangle। Okay, let me shade this first। OMN first, OMN। Okay, beta I can see O to N here, so let's find out M to N first, then we will discuss the question। Agree or not?
जी
Agree or
सर।
not? Let's find out M to N। M to N would be M to O plus O to N। Beta M to O would be negative A and O to N would be plus B, because we are going against with the direction। Okay, then they say R is a point, R is a point, let me erase this now। R is the point on a line such that M to N such that M to R ratio R to N is 3:2। It means that this is 3 pieces and this is 2 pieces। Got it? It means that this is 3 out of 5 and that is 2 out of 5। Understood everybody or not?
जी सर।
So it means that technically I have MR। MR vector would be 3 out of 5 of what? MN, which is minus A plus B, And beta, I have Rn as well, which is 2 out of 5 of minus a plus b. Now, beta, they say that ORT is a straight line. Okay, this is a straight line, so it means that something with the ratio thing inside as well. So show that O to R. We need to find out OR. Okay, let's find out what a OR is equals to ON plus NR, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Or
sir.
we can take another way as well. OR, it is equals to what? OM plus MR. Okay. So OM is small a and MR is what? This is right here. Simplify this first. That would be minus 3 by 5a plus 3 by 5b. So minus 3 by 5a. So let me erase the sign here. Minus 3 by 5a plus 3 by 5b. But we need to simplify this thing first of all. 3 by 5b is fine.
2/5.
So that is 1. So beta 1 minus 3 by 5 is how much? 1 minus 3 by 5 is how much? That is 1. So denominator is same. 1 5s are
-1.
5. 5 minus 3. So that would be 2 by 5. So that would be 2 by 5a. So shown. इलम समझ आइए?
सर ये 5 - 3 क्यों किए?
Yes, sir. बेटा ये आपको एलसीएम लेना आता है कि नहीं आता?
क्यों नहीं आता सर?
तो 1 माइनस 3 बाय 5 करोगे तो ये एलसीएम नहीं लोगे?
हाँ सर, सही है, सही है, सही है।
बिल्कुल बच्चों वाले सवाल पूछते हो यार कभी कभी. Okay, now let's find out n to t. They say that, okay, n to t is given 4a plus kb. Okay, n to t is 4a plus kb. Okay, we don't know what is k. And o to t is equals to c times of or. Okay, we need to understand this thing as well. Find the value of c and k. Okay, let's study this in very detail now. Beta, or is, look at or please. Beta, look at or.
यस सर।
OR is right in front of you. It is 2 out of 5A plus 3 out of 5B. Yes or no?
यस सर।
Hamad,
जी सर, जी सर।
beta, can I say that R to T would be 3 out of 5A plus 2 out of 5B? Can I say this?
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Hamad,
Yes, sir.
Muiz Umair,
यस सर।
Zainab.
Yes, sir.
Beta, they say that O to R, we found it just in part 1. Agree? I know that R to T is also a straight line. Agree or not? If U to R is 2 by 5A, so that is obviously that R to T is 3 by 5A. Get it or not?
Yes, sir.
And if this is 3 by 5B, so that would be automatically 2 by 5B. Yes or no?
जी सर।
Yes or no, beta? So let's find
Yes,
out
sir.
NT. Let's find out NT first. NT is equals to what? N to O plus O to T. Okay. Beta, N to O is how much? N to O is minus B. Agree? Plus O to T would be OR plus RT. Okay. So minus B. OR is how much? OR is 2 by 5A plus 3 by 5B. RT is what? It is 3 by 5A plus 2 by 5B. Okay. So can I say that minus B? 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5A, 5 by 5 is A. Better look at this, 2 by 5A and 3 by 5A would be 5 by 5 means 1A. Yes or no? A minus B plus B. So beta, can I say that n to t is minus b? ये तो गलत हो गया यार. This is wrong. This is wrong. Because ये तो cancel हो गया सब कुछ यार. Look at the question again. Beta O to R is 2 out of 5A plus 3 out of 5B. So that is 3 out of 5, 2 out of 5, and that is 3 out of 5B. That is fine. So beta, let me simplify this question this way. Zainab,
Yes, sir.
now this is star question. Now understand this. Beta O to R is, can I take 1 by 5 common? That would be 2A plus 3B. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So that is equals to 2A plus 3B and 1 by 5. We need to get that what is RT. We need to find out what is RT first of all. And they say that to us that O to C is C times of OR. So we need to times it in order to get O to T. So first of all, we have OR already. We don't have any C factor here. We need to compare this answer that 4A plus KB. Okay. Look at this question. Let me have a glass of water until then. Look at this question. We'll continue the discussion. Just give me a few minutes. Yes. जी बेटा, n to t is equals to n to t is equals to 4a plus kb and o to t is equals to c of or. Zara, what should we do here? Amna Fahim? Amna Fahim?
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी, क्या करना चाहिए बेटा हमें?
Sir, can we take B and 2 by 5 of
बेटा
Rn?
वे बोलो ना, वे बोलो क्या लूं?
Are we going to take into reference B and 2 by 5 of Rn?
अच्छा, आप चाहती हैं कि आर एन से हम आर टी पहले फाइंड आउट करें?
Mm-mm.
तो आर टी
Yeah.
फाइंड आउट तो कर लेंगे, लेकिन 4a प्लस के भी आएगा वहां पे.
तो फिर सर?
तो फिर आप, मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए. मैं करता हूँ आपके तरीके से भी, टेंशन ना लो. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, गलत हो जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं.
ठीक है.
ठीक है,
Mm-mm.
करके देखेंगे कि हमारा हमारा हमें मैचअप करना है ना. ठीक है, ओके. आमना कह रही है कि सर पहले आर टी को फाइंड आउट करते हैं. आर टी, कि आर टी है क्या चीज, तब हमें ओ टी का पता चलेगा. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट आर टी. हमाद, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ आर टी? आर टी, व्हाट इज द वे?
सर आर टी का
जी, आर टू टी.
ओ टू आर और आर टू टी.
बेटा आर टी का ओ टू आर हमारे पास है ही नहीं.
सर
ओ टू आर तो है, लेकिन ओ टू टी नहीं है ना.
R to N or N to T.
सर
ओके, आर टू एन और एन टू टी. तो आर टू एन कितना है बेटा? इट इज 2 आउट ऑफ 5. यही है ना? ये है.
जी सर
इसको जरा
बिल्कुल.
ओपन कर लेते हैं. -2/5a +2/5b. ठीक है. सो -2/5a +2/5b एंड n टू t इज 4a प्लस kb. हमें ये नहीं पता, आर टी आ जाएगा हमारे पास. आर टी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? जरा ए देख लो बेटा. बेटा प्लीज ऐड दीज टू. इन दोनों को ऐड करो. -2/5 +4 क्या आता है ये? इसके नीचे 1 है. डिनोमिनेटर विल
18
बी
by 5.
5. व्हाट?
18 by 5.
18/5a. ओके, अभी ये 2/5 प्लस के आ जाएगा ना? यस और नो? टू बाई
जी
फाइव
सर.
प्लस के और ब्रैकेट में आ जाएगा बी. एग्री और नॉट?
यस सर.
यस और नो। अब आर टी हमारे पास, आर टी आ चुका है। ओके, ओ आर भी हमारे पास मौजूद है। ओ आर, ओ आर इज व्हाट? ओ आर इज, O to R is 2 by 5A and 2 by 5A and that is 3 by 5B. Okay, Ahmad,
Yes, sir.
look at the comparison, please. O to R ratio R to T. But I can see that it is 18 by 5 and it is 2 by 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can I say that O to R is 2 and R to 2 is 18? Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
अगर नहीं तो ये इस तरह लिख लो ना, 2 by 5, 18 by 5. Got it?
जी sir.
So 5, 5 cancel. So can I say that it is 1:9?
Yes, sir.
Right, Rahman? We got the ratio of RT. अब हमाद देखो, ये 1:9 हमें मिल चुका है. It means that if this is one part, so that is 9 parts. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
अब RT के अंदर हमें जो है 9 parts के अंदर इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. तो in order to get this thing, that what this thing is all about, कि ये है क्या चीज total. Okay. So this is 3 by 5 and that is 2 parts. Okay. We have the ratio that 3 by 5 is equals to 1 and 9 is equals to x. So let's find out this part. So 9 multiplied by 3 by 5 is equals to x. 9 threes are 27.
जी सर
9 threes are
27
27 divided by 5 is equals to x. So beta, I can say that, let me erase this part for a while. I need a space here. I can say that 2 by 5 plus k is equals to 27 by 5. Agree or not? Agree or not?
जी सर जी सर
Let's find out that what is the value of b. So हमें b की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, क्योंकि ये 27/5 की इक्वल आनी चाहिए. तो हमें k का आंसर निकालना है इसमें कि व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ k हियर. So first of all, 2 by 5 minus 27 by 5 is equals to k minus k, sorry. So minus k is equals to what? Better please simplify this. Denominator is same. So 25 minus 25 by 5, yes or no? So we can say that minus k is equals to minus 5. So k is equals to plus 5. K is equals to what? Plus 5. Understood everybody or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes
जी
or no?
सर
वर्किंग बहुत थी इसकी हमजा आदिल. वर्किंग इसकी बहुत थी लेकिन आसान था.
जी sir.
ठीक है. Okay. Now first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this working here above. Okay, we need to get the value of c as well. And where is now c? Now we have the answer, beta. O to t, it is equals to c times of OR. Beta, O to T is how much? O to T is total 10. O to T is how much? O to T is total 1 plus 9. This हमारे याद है, ये 1 था और ये 9 था, याद है?
जी sir.
10. Okay,
जी
C
सर जी सर
and OR कितना था? OR अगर फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास 1 है, क्या है बेटा? OR हमारे पास क्या था? 1.
1
तो C की जगह पे ऐसा कौन सी वैल्यू होनी चाहिए जो इसको 10 बना दे? So 10 is equals to C. So
10.
C is equals to 10 times complete, 4 marks. Now they say that find M to T. Okay, M to T. Okay, so M to T is imaginary line here, right, Zainab? So M to T would be what? M to T would be MR plus RT. Agree? Or M to T, MN and M to N and N to T is also easy. Yes or no? I think M to N and N to T is easy. So let me solve this part here. M to T is M to N plus N to T. Beta, M to N is what? M to N is, we found it earlier, that M to N is minus A plus B. Minus A plus B.
प्लस बी
And N to T is and
4a
n to
plus
t a.
kb.
What?
4a plus kb.
Okay, 4 k आ गया ना मेरे पास 5b.
ऊपर लिखा हुआ है सर, क्वेश्चन में ही
4a
लिखा हुआ
plus 4a plus 5b. ठीक है, k की वैल्यू आ चुकी है हमारे पास. Minus a plus 4a is 3a and b plus 5b is 6b. So 3a plus 6b is the answer. Betrin. Now
Okay.
differentiate means derivatives. So this is for IGCSE students, not for O-level students. So please pay attention. Differentiate x cube minus 4x square minus 3x. So take dy by dx. So d by dx is the differentiation. X
3x
cube
square.
minus 4x square minus 3x. Derivative of x cube would be 3x square minus 4 twos are 8x minus 3. That would be the differentiation of the first equation. 3x square minus 8x minus 3. A curve has this equation. Work out the stationary point. So the first step is take dy by dx. So we have dy by dx already in the part A. 3x square minus 8x minus 3. Second step is put derivative equal to 0. Equals 0. Okay, now let's try the question with the midterm break. 3 threes are 9. Okay, so factors of 3 threes are 9. Factors of 9 are 1 9 and 3 3. I can use 1 9. So 3x square minus 1x minus 9x minus 3 is equals to 0. I'm changing the sign of 1 to the plus 1 because I need minus 8. So x is common. So 3x plus 1 is inside, minus 3 is common. So 3x plus 1 is inside is equals to 0. 3x plus 1 and x minus 3 equals 0. Drag a line. 3x plus 1 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. 3x is equals to 1 minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 by 3. X is equals to positive 3. I got two answers, positive 3 and minus 1 by 3. Now to find y, put in question. So y is equals to x cube means 3 cube. But please do this in the calculator. And 3 square minus 3 into 3. What is the coordinate of y1? What is the coordinate of y1? And y2 would be, that would be 1 by minus 1 by 3 cube minus 4 into minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 by 3. Tell me what is the answer for the 3? When x is equals to 3, what is the answer?
y1 minus 18 है.
Minus 18, sir.
Okay, what about y2? 3 को रिप्लेस कर दो, खाली एडिटिंग में जाके minus 1 by 3 कर दो. बेटा ये अनीक किसकी आईडी है यार?
Sir, 14 by 27.
14 by 27. So just write 14 divided by 27. 5 marks हो गए बेटा. So derivative का question एक ये था, एक ये भी question है. Okay, look at the graph is made. The graph shows a sketch of y is equals to 4x square, 4x cube minus x4. The graph crosses x-axis at origin. Okay, origin is coordinate is 0 0. At point A, the coordinate of x would be x and but y would be 0. We need to find out x and y of b as well. Okay, differentiate first. So take derivative dy by dx. So that would be 4 threes are 12 x
12x
square
square
minus
minus
4x cube.
4x
So that is the derivation. So write this thing this way. Arrange करके लिखो. Plus 12x square. Find the coordinates of b. So beta, can I say that the coordinate of b is the turning point? Can I say that the coordinate of b is a turning point?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So that is a turning point. So put derivative is equals to 0. Minus 4x cube plus 12x square equals 0. Beta, I have something common. I have a minus 4x square common. So I can write x inside because minus is outside and minus 3 is equals to 0. Yes or no, beta?
जी सर.
Drag a line, minus 4x square is equals to 0 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 is one turning point and x is equals to plus 3 is another turning point. Ahmad, you can see that the graph turned two times. One is the origin, that is the turning point 1. Yes or no?
जी सर.
Got it? And this is also a turning point. B is also a turning point. Two turning points, turning point. And I got the value of x is equals to 3. Let's find out y. So put x is equals to 3 in the question. So y is equals to 4 into 3 power 4. 3 power 4 minus 3 power 3, yeah, sorry. 3 power 3 minus 3 power 4. So what is the answer? 3. And what is the coordinate of y? 3 cube is 27. 27 times 4 is 108. 108 minus 81.
27.
81, it is 27. So the coordinate of the B is 327. Find the gradient of the graph at the point A. Beta, gradient of the graph at point A. So beta, we need to calculate that what is the value of A first of all. Beta, at A, we can see that y is equals to 0, right, Hamad?
Yes,
जी
sir.
सर.
So beta, y is equals to 0. So it means that we don't have x-axis. Got it? We need to get the x coordinate. So the equation of the graph was y is equals to 4x cube minus x power 4 minus x power 4. Okay. Now, beta, we need to find out the gradient at the point A. We know that y is equals to 0, x power 4. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Beta, can I take x cube common? So it would be 4 minus x inside.
Yes sir.
It means that x cube is equals to 0 means x is equals to 0 and 4 minus x is equals to 0 means 4 is equals to x. Agree? It means that at point A, the value of x is 4. Agree?
जी sir.
To find the gradient at that point, we need a derivative function. So dy by dx was minus 4x cube plus 12x square. In order to get the gradient, put x is equals to 4 in the derivative function. So minus 4 into 4 cube plus 12 into 4 square. 4 cube is 64 and 4 square is 16. Tell me what is the answer here? 128, 256 minus 256. 12 into 16 is 16 times 160, 192. Plus minus is minus. 256 minus 192 is how much? 56 plus 8. 64. Negative 64 is the gradient.
Negative
Yes or no?
64.
And
Yes
हमाद
sir.
Yes, sir.
अगर देखो पॉइंट ए पे अगर मैं कोई टेंजेंट लगाऊं तो देखो नेगेटिव ग्रेडियंट आएगा. यस और नो?
जी सर बिल्कुल.
तो आंसर नेगेटिव आया है तो उसने हमें शो कर दिया है. करेक्ट?
ओके सर.
ओके, ये क्वेश्चन देखो बस लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टुडे. Complete the table values of y is equals to 3 cos 2x. Okay, so first of all, we need to complete the table. So y is equals to 3 bracket, sorry, 3 bracket 3 cos 2 times x is 45. So ये कितना होगा बेटा? Tell me what is the answer?
0.
Okay, it's 0. Now y is equals to 3 times cos 2 times 60. ये कितना आ रहा है?
Minus 1.5.
Minus 1.5. Okay, now तीसरा चेक कर लें. Y is equals to 3 cos 2 times 80.
Minus 2.8.
Minus 2.8. 3 marks. Okay, now plot the values 0 and 3. X is 0, Y is 3. 10 and 2.8. 2.8 is right here. 20 and 2.3. 2, 2.2, 2.3. 30 and 1.5. 30 and 1.5. 40 and 0.5. 0.5 is here. Okay, 45 and 0. Okay, 45 and 0. 50 and minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 होगा 1 और 0.5 के दरमियान. 60 and minus 1.5, minus 1.5 होगा इधर. 70 and minus 2.3, minus 2, 2.2, 2.3. 80 and minus 2.8 is right here. And 90 and minus 3 is right here. Okay. So we have the crosses already. We'll get 4 marks if all the crosses are plotted correctly. And remember that it's a curve. Okay. So it should be freehand. It should be freehand. Get it, everybody, or not? Oh. Now they say that use your graph to solve the equation 3 cos 2x. But we know that that 3 cos 2x is equals to y. So can I say that y is equals to minus 2?
जी sir.
So beta y is equals to minus 2 is this line. Let me hit with the graph. Done. Okay, let's see what is the answer above. Okay, what would be the answer here? 61, 62,
66.
63, 64, 65, 66 is the answer. X is equals to 66. By drawing suitable line, whenever we see this, what we do, we write the question. Y is equals to 3 cos 2x, 3 cos 2x. Okay, now look at this, 120 cos 2x is equals to 80 minus x. Okay, but what if I take this is constant, right? So this is can I write this way 40 times 3 cos 2x? Can I write this way?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
जी sir.
Abdurrahman,
जी sir.
Amna Fahim.
Sir, could you explain how you did this?
Better this is 120. Yes or no? And
Yeah.
everything between the question and this is same, but except for 120. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And I know that 40 times 3 is 120. Agree?
Mm-mm.
So that is the reason I took 40 common. So that would be cos 2x here. Agree?
Fine.
So then can I write 40y is equals to 80 minus y?
Sir, 80 minus y is there.
Oh, sorry, 80 minus x.
Yeah.
Sorry. That is 80 minus x. Can I write this way?
Mm-mm. Yeah.
जी
Okay,
sir.
so y is equals to 80 minus x divided by 40. Agree?
जी sir.
So this is the equation of line. So we need to find out this equation of line. So we can separate that as well. Y is equals to minus x by 40 plus 80 by 40. So beta, can I write y is equals to minus x by 40 plus 2? So Zainab, we know that this is my y-intercept. Yes or no? Plus 2.
Yes.
So let me
ये
make a
प्लस टू
cross
कैसे
here.
सर? प्लस टू की समझ नहीं आई.
बेटा ये 80 डिवाइड बाय 42 नहीं आता.
ओह ओके 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 सॉरी.
ठीक है, तो ये हो गया, एक क्रॉस मिल चुका है. वी नीड टू गेट वन मोर पॉइंट हियर. एग्री? यस और नो?
जी सर.
So we need to plot here some values in order to get y. So beta, what should I put in place of x in order to get can I put x is equals to 40? X is equals to 40. Let's put x is equals to 40. Y is equals to 40 by 40 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 would be 1. Yes or no? Yes or no?
जी
Yes,
सर.
sir.
So when x is 40, y is 1. When x is 40, y is 1. So this is the line. Let's cross this line with the help of a ruler. बेटा आईपैड पे थोड़ा सा ये रूलर स्लिप होता है, तो आप लोगों का पेपर पे स्लिप नहीं होना चाहिए. अच्छा,
जी सर.
done. Let me extend the line till the end. Okay, done. So Zainab, they are asking about the solution. So that would be the solution, the intersection. Yes or no? It's 33.
Yes, sir.
X is equals to 33 is the answer for 3 marks. Understood everybody or not?
Yes.
Yes
जी
or
सर.
no? Look at this
Yes.
graph. It's a quadratic graph. Again, find the coordinate of A, B, and C. Okay, so A, B, and C. So beta, this is x-intercept. This is also x-intercept. And this is y-intercept. Right, everybody? On
जी
x
सर।
intercept, we know that we have some x coordinate, but y would be 0.
जी सर।
Here x would be something, y would be 0. And here x would be 0, but y would be something.
यस
So
सर।
let me write some coordinates. Point A is 0, and that would be somewhere value. Point B is x is 0, and point C, y is 0. Let's find out now. So put x is equals to 0, put x is equals to 0 to get B. So 18 plus 5 into 0 minus 2 into 0 square. So everything cancelled. So y is equals to 18. So B point. Got it? It's 0, 18. Got it, everybody?
जी
Yes
सर।
or no?
यस सर।
Now put y
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to 0 to get x1 and x2 and x2. So beta minus 2x square plus 5x plus 18 is equals to 0. Now use your calculator, please. We don't have any space. A is equals to minus 2, B is equals to 5, C is equals to 8, mod 5 and 3. Plot ABC and tell me what is the value of x1 and x2.
X1 minus 2, X2 9/2.
So minus 2 would be the coordinate of A, and minus 9/2 means 4.5 would be the coordinate of C, right Hamad? क्योंकि A जो है वो नेगेटिव साइड पर है, इसलिए उसको मैंने -2 दिया है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now they said differentiate. So बेटा अफनान, आपने कहा था पहले इसको जरा थोड़ा अरेंज कर लो, इसको पहले लिख लो, ठीक है? जब आप इसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगी अफनान, तो ये 2 2 जार हो जाएगा -4, और x की 1 पावर डाउन हो जाएगी, और डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस इज 5. so डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कांस्टेंट इज 0, तो 4 -4x प्लस 1 प्लस 5 आ रहा है, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
कहता है फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट वेयर द ग्रेडियंट इज 7. तो बेटा हमारे पास फंक्शन है डेरिवेटिव का, that dy by dx is equals to -4x plus 5. इन्होंने हमें ग्रेडियंट दे दिया, हमें पता है कि फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव इज ग्रेडियंट. So let's write 17 is equals to -4x plus 5. 5 will go there. 17 minus 5 is equals to -4x. 17 minus 5 is how much? 12 is equals to -4x. Divide by -4 on both sides. So x is equals to -3. X is equals to what? -3. We need to get the coordinate. तो x is equals to -3 को क्वेश्चन में पुट करो. 18 plus 5, 18 plus 5 ब्रैकेट -3 -2 into -3 स्क्वायर. तो बेटा ये क्या आ रहा है? What is the answer for y?
-15.
-15.
जी सर।
So -15 is the answer for 3 marks. Understood everybody or not?
जी सर।
Yes, sir.
चलो बेटा बस मैं तो बहुत थक गया हूँ यार.
सर जी हम भी थक गए हैं।
बस बहुत हो गया. गुड लक फॉर टुमारोज पेपर यार.
सर जी
सर
बहुत
पेपर
जल्दी
में ग्राफ्स आएंगे?
सर
सर जी
क्या
आप
थैंक
चीज?
यू
ठीक है
सर।
सर।
क्या चीज?
सर वैसे मेन
सर
टॉपिक्स
आपकी
क्या है
सेहत
पेपर्स
अच्छी है?
के?
बेटा मेन टॉपिक नहीं होता ना, देखो पूरा सिलेबस है, पूरा पास पेपर होगा कोई ना कोई.
सर मतलब कोई एक पेपर दे रहे हैं आप यार, अपने अपना पेपर बनाया है?
मिक्स किया हुआ है बहुत चीजें.
अच्छा सर, ठीक है सर।
ठीक है, तो बस कोशिश करें अपने बेसिक्स पे रहें, हर क्वेश्चन को पढ़ें, हर क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट करें, किसी क्वेश्चन को छोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है?
इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह।
अब ये जो टॉपिक्स मैंने करवाए हैं ना, ये सारे टॉपिक्स पेपर में होंगे, सारे टॉपिक्स पेपर में होंगे,
सर वो
जो
वैसे
कल भी
वो
कराएं.
शोन
जी
शोन तो कर सकते हैं ना सर?
बेटा नहीं ना, देखो ये शोन शोन वाली हरकत मेरे साथ नहीं करना अभी पेपर में, ठीक है?
ठीक
सर
है
जी
सर, ठीक।